BizShort in seconds, say what matters. US may ease tariffs on Indian goods, CEA signals progress. India's chief economic advisor, speaking on 18 September 2025, indicated the United States is considering easing the punitive tariffs it had imposed on a range of Indian goods, a move that could materially ease pressure on exporters and currency markets. According to the official, Washington may drop the extra 25% tariff and move toward a lower, reciprocal tariff band, reported to be in the 10-15% range, as negotiations between the two governments progress. Markets reacted positively to the suggestion, with benchmark indices making session highs on the hope that trade frictions could be dialed back. The tariffs issue had weighed on certain export-sensitive sectors, curbing demand and fueling worries about capital outflows. If implemented, tariff relaxation would reduce uncertainty for manufacturers of textiles, chemicals, and other labor-intensive goods and could restore some lost orders. Policymakers emphasized that talks are continuing and any change will likely be phased and subject to detailed implementation arrangements. Economists cautioned that while tariff relief would be constructive, full normalization of bilateral trade also requires addressing non-tariff barriers, rules of origin, and supply chain resilience. For now, the statement itself served as an oxygen boost to markets and exporters, but the details and timing remain crucial to assessing the eventual economic benefit. Source: Reuters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.